Want to test your SimpliSafe without triggering the police? Here's a safe, step-by-step demo. Step 1. Open the SimpliSafe app and sign in on your phone. Go to Menu, tap Settings, then System. Look for Test Mode or Alarm Test. Alternate. On your keypad, enter the master PIN. Open the System menu and select Test. Before testing, notify SimpliSafe support or follow their guidance, so monitoring is temporarily paused. Step 2. Enable Test Mode in the app or confirm the keypad shows Test Mode on. Step 3. Test door and window sensors by opening each entry while watching the app or keypad. Listen for the sensor chirp and confirm the app logs each open and close event. Step 4. Test motion sensors by walking slowly through the detection zone, left to right. If a sensor fails to register, replace batteries, check alignment, and retest that device. Use the app's event history or the keypad log to verify every test completed successfully. Recap. Enable test mode, notify support, test doors then motion, check logs, and replace batteries as needed.